Ebonyi State Governor Dave Umahi, alongside his deputy Kelechi Igwe, they are presenting the 2022 budget estimate to the state lawmakers. Earlier, the governor had taken time to give graphic details of the fiscal proposal, noting that its capital expenditure component is projected at 89.7 billion naira, representing about 61.73% of the total budget, while the recurrent expenditure is put at 55.6 billion naira. He explains that the proportion of capital to recurrent is structured bearing in mind the determination of his administration to deepen capital project development, especially the completion of ongoing projects.
To ensure an impressive progress in the international airport. Construction work is on top gear. We are completing work on the terminal building, apron units, local and international.
Umahi further knows that in 2022 year, 6 critical subsectors including education, health, works, human capital and infrastructural development will be prioritized over other subsectors.
Mr. Speaker, we shall make effort to give more employment to our people from January 2022. That program is being handled separately, the House of Assembly handling theirs, the Judiciary handling theirs, and the Deputy Governor is heading our own committee for the executive.
The Speaker of the State House of Assembly, Francis Nwifuru, assures the governor of the preparedness of the lawmakers to give in a speedy consideration of the 2022 budget estimates, even as the bill there and then at the plenary scaled the second reading. Kelechi Igwe, AIT News, Abakaliki.